Hi and welcome to this month's Kay & Burton Market Report. I'm Mona Ibellini and this report is brought to you by Kay & Burton and Dr. Andrew Wilson from My Housing Market. Melbourne's booming weekend auction market bounced back over June, again shaking off coronavirus shutdown restrictions that impeded buyer and seller activity early in the month. Melbourne recorded a weekend auction clearance rate of 73.8% over June, which was lower than the 78.3% reported over May, but remains significantly higher than the 61.1% recorded over June last year. The monthly decline in Melbourne's clearance rate over June was clearly influenced by the lockdown restrictions imposed early in the month, with the market bouncing back later in the month as restrictions were eased and despite a record surge in June auction listings. Melbourne set a local monthly record for auction numbers for June that followed the record set for the month of May. 4,896 homes were listed for Saturday auction over June at a record average of 1,224 per weekend, which was higher than the 1,176 averaged over May and well ahead over the 390 averaged over June last year. Melbourne recorded a weekend median auction price for houses over $1 million over June, which was similar to the $1.05 million recorded over May, but 16.4% higher than the $860,000 recorded over June last year. Melbourne reported a record weekend auction sales turnover over June of $2.59 billion that was predictably well ahead of last year's coronavirus-impacted June result. Melbourne's North reported the highest regional monthly auction clearance rate over June, followed by the Outer East, Inner East and North East regions. All Melbourne regions reported remarkable annual median auction prices growth for houses over June, with the Inner East and Inner South clear leaders. Melbourne's premium inner suburban auction markets have continued to report strong clearance rates despite record early winter listings. High clearance rates over June 2021 continue to push prices generally higher in premium areas compared to April. The Mornington Peninsula reported more strong results over June, with auction clearance rates again remarkably exceeding 90%. Although median house auction prices fell marginally over May compared to April, they remained at $1 million. Rye was the most popular weekend auction suburb on the Mornington Peninsula and with a clearance rate of 100%. The Melbourne weekend auction market revived over June, re-energizing following the constraints of the coronavirus lockdown restrictions imposed at the beginning of the month. As restrictions were gradually eased, auction buyers and sellers re-entered the marketplace in significant numbers, reinforcing the underlying strength of the local market. Despite reporting a record June for Saturday auction numbers, including unprecedented numbers for the Queen's birthday long weekend holiday, clearance rates increased over the month to the highest levels recorded since early May. In what clearly remains a seller's market, auction prices for both houses and units have increased sharply over the past year, reflecting continuing strong buyer competition generally for available properties. Melbourne's premium home auction markets continue to record strong clearance rates, with the Mornington Peninsula again over 90% for the month despite high listing numbers. Premium regions also were clearly the top performers for annual prices growth. With the usual winter slowdown currently nowhere in sight, the Melbourne auction market can be expected to continue to record in July the unprecedented results reported over recent months. Thank you for watching this month's Kate and Burton Market Report. We look forward to seeing you next month.